What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's take some time to talk about Shiba Inu again, because as I was going through this other video talking about how Shiba Inu was trending, there was definitely a topic that I wanted to bring up. And I brought it up a couple of times talking about the lower price point and how it can get to a point where it drops a zero. And people are like, look, you're spreading FUD. This is a horrible thing. This is tragic, right? This is more of a tragedy than it is of a positive thing. So don't push out these type of narratives. Don't push out these type of videos. And I think that these videos are necessary, because what it does is within a down market, people are just pushing nothing but positive things. It kind of pushes people the wrong way. It kind of touches someone the wrong way, where it's like, is this truly going to run? Is it going to get to $1? Because it looks like it's doing nothing but falling down. That's like someone telling you, hey, invest into this position or invest into this business, and the business has no financial statements, or the financial statements show that they're at a loss for the last 10 years. It's tough to see something or to hear something and then see something completely different. So that's why, I want to kind of talk about, that this price point that I'm saying, all these zeros that we do have, this added zero, could be more of an opportunity than it is of a tragic situation. So anyways, I feel like I spit there. Sorry about that. Anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my Patreon. That link is in the description, where you guys can message me directly. We can have one-on-ones. I have recordings of some one-on-ones and stuff. And it was definitely fun to be able to talk to people about something that's that I have in common. We both have in common, right? And not only that, but also, understand their portfolio and different things like that. So if you guys want to check that out, link is in the description for that. But anyways, like I said, in this last video, Shiba Inu was trending. You saw Shiba Inu at 254K tweets. And, you see so much on Shiba Inu where you have, Shibarium beta, that Shibarium's coming. You have a Shiba Inu to $1. You have bone tweets, as well as just the overall platform and what's going to happen with Shiba Inu, the metaverse, just so many things, right? And it's great to see that many tweets. And we saw that the price is not moving. The price is actually moving in the wrong direction. When you see 254,000 tweets, you expect to see some positivity, but you're not seeing that. So one of these last videos that I made, I talked about Shiba Inu getting to 0.000009, adding a zero. And people were like, that's FUD. Don't spread that information. It's not going to get to that level. And if it does, it's not a bad thing. If you look at it as a positive thing, and understand what the gains could be, they could be a lot more, right? If this is at 0.00002, like it was sometime this month, or I guess close to halfway there, you could basically say, all right, well, it's going to be a 5x return up to a drop zero there. But if it finds a way to decrease down to 0.00001 or lower, you're looking at a 10x return up to that drop zero. And that's a way better situation, a way better opportunity for a lot of people to gain a ton of money out of it. And not only up to that level, but just imagine the level up to another drop zero, right? That's a 100x return versus a 50x return. So you're seeing that multiply by seeing these lower price points. It gives people an opportunity. Now, I'm not saying that this is 100% going to get to those levels. I do believe that it will make that move up to those levels eventually, when we do see more bullish momentum in the markets, but it's not 100% confirmation. Like, it's not going to be confirmed. It's not going to be guaranteed to get up those levels, because I'm not the person behind. I'm not everybody trading with this. I'm not everybody, buying this and all of that. I'm one person that has a good amount of Shiba Inu coins, and it's not even a massive amount that can make any type of moves. If I decided to sell it, it would do nothing for the overall position. It's like 250 million or something. 254 or 256 or 260 million. I don't really know exactly how much. I would have to check crypto.com. Because I was burning a little bit of cryptocurrency. I don't know why this is not staying up. It's being weird. But anyways, like I said, 0.00009 could be an opportunity for a lot of people, and not just something where you can look at it, as a negative situation. So for all the people that are saying, it's FUD, um, I don't agree. I think it's very positive, to invest in at that point. So anyways, that's where we stand. If we look at, if we scroll down here and we look at how the chart has moved, let's look at maybe over the last 3 months. We've seen this at this level of 0.000008, and you can see what happened there. So going from that level up to even the high point of 15, right? You're looking at basically a 100% return for where you are. So you're at 8 all the way up to 16, almost looking at 100% return for that position just from there to there. And that is a solid day trade, a solid swing trade. That you can see, obviously it's over multiple days. So a solid swing trade that you can have within that month if you decided to buy at some of these lows and sell at some of these highs. What I suggest, and I'm not saying that this is like financial advice at all, whenever you see these situations where it does get to a low of 0.000009 or 8 or something like that, maybe you can invest for a day trade or a swing trade out of that, instead of having whatever you have and keep whatever you have for the long term. You can invest in a little bit more and simply just do that for the shorter term trade within this long-term trade that you do have. So that's a way of making up any type of losses that you do have. Let's say you invested at 0.00002 or 3. Right now you would be down, 60% or 50%. And if you are down on your position by that much, find a level to where you can consistently day trade it or consistently swing trade it. And this would be that opportunity. That's why I'm saying it's more of an opportunity than it is for a loss, because it gives people the ability to make up whatever they have lost by making these swing trades. And yes, overall, you're probably like, oh, well, people just need to hold it and diamond hand it and all of that. That's not the reality of how things work. There's a lot of people that are making money through these swing trades. And if you are just holding, you are one of them that are not losing money, but just sitting on your hands. And that's not necessarily the best situation. Yes, you would keep the same rate. So right now we have 250 days of typical hold time. You would keep the same rate by investing new money and selling that new money, but you're holding whatever you were holding for a long period of time. So that typical hold time will still stay the same. But anyways, my opinion is that it's an opportunity. Other people's opinion is that maybe it's FUD. But if you look at it that way, you're just looking to sit on your hands and do nothing with the position. I'm looking to gain something out of it, and I know a lot of other people are as well. I'm currently down on my Shiba Inu position. I invested at 0.00002. That's where my end cost basis is, and it's probably less now, or sorry, more now, because I ended up burning off Shiba Inu for the overall cause of what we want, which is a lesser supply. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this. Am I wrong by saying this? Is it FUD? Or is it an opportunity? Have you taken advantage of any of these opportunities that we've seen? Because if you have, then I applaud you. I'm happy for you. I can't wait to see what your gains look like in the end. But yeah, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Also, if you want to check out my Patreon, that link is in the description. Whatever swing trades I'm going to make, whatever day trades I'm going to make, we're going to see how they play out and all of that. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll catch you in the next one.